Eric here with May Wes Manufacturing. If you have a John Deere 700 series or C series chopping corn head, May Wes Row Divider Shields can save you a small fortune. Manufactured from durable UHMW poly, May Wes Row Divider Shields protect and extend the life of your new or worn row dividers, saving you over $200 per row compared to replacing the OEM row dividers. We get a lot of questions about May Wes Row Divider Shield. This video will answer those questions. Question 1. What models of corn heads are May Wes Row Divider Shields available for? For the 600 and 700 series, we have them available for 20, 22, and 30-inch row spacing. For the all-new John Deere C series, they are available for 30-inch row spacing. How many row divider shields do I need for my corn head? You'll need one per row. So a 12-row corn head will need 12 row divider shields. What side do I install them on, and why do they go on that side? If you are sitting in the operating position in the combine, they will be on your left-hand side. If you're facing the corn head from ground level, they will be on your right side. Why do they go on that side? From the operating position or left-hand side, you have a flat profile. On the opposite side of the row divider, there is a bubble which causes difficulty for a tight fit. Can I install them on both sides? No. You can only install them on the left side as viewed from the operating position in the combine. How difficult are May Wes Row Divider Shields to install? They are not difficult to install at all. Simply line up the row divider shield to the row divider, drill holes, and mount the row divider shield using nuts and bolts. With the help of a buddy, you can finish a 12-row corn head in an hour or two. Is hardware included? Yes. All the hardware you need is included. Do I need to remove the row dividers from my corn head to install the shields? It is not necessary to remove the row dividers, but some farmers, like Chet Larson here, find it much easier.
My job was assigned to drill holes so that he can just bolt them on, and then it's done right, you know.
Pretty simple, you just line her up to fit. You put your bolts through in your nut and washer and tighten her up, and then it's ready to go back underneath the corn head.
Now you don't have to take these off. Is it easier to take them off, do you think? Or?
Chet had these off, so I guess it's up to the end user. Normally these bolt up with just two simple bolts. It's usually not overly complicated to take down.
It's definitely easier.
Definitely easier out, probably. But if a guy wanted to leave them on, they could.
How damaged can my OEM row divider be to accept a May Wes Row Divider Shield? As long as you have enough meat on the row divider to accept the hardware, you should be good to go. Your previous row divider shields, how many years did you have those on?
Oh, I think they usually survive 2 seasons, but the second season they're rags.
And you had purchased row divider shields and put them on. How many seasons did you get out of those?
I think that's another, is it 3 seasons, Chet? Yeah, it is definitely an improvement on what the original ones were. Must have.
Yeah, they are must have. Put more money in your pocket. Thank you for your interest in May Wes Row Divider Shields. For more information, check out your local May Wes dealer. Give us a call, 1-800-788-6483, or check us out on the web, www.maywes.com.